Hey, remember when I got us lost? So we're doing a hike this morning. We've been hiking for about an hour, but we haven't made it very far because we got a little lost. Bree was not very happy with me, but now we're on the right trail. We're going the right way. This hike goes through a star pine forest, which is just like a type of pine tree, I think. I don't know. But it looks like Wyoming almost. It's really weird. Look at all these pine needles.
We'll get the cool colored ones. There's orange and red and yellow.
Look at these.
Yeah, hell, I know how it is sometimes. You're holding on, trying to forget them all night, till you're drunk and you text that other ex, the one that said that they'd be there when you needed them.
We're about halfway on the hike, and look, you can see where we live. We live like right there. We stopped to eat some lunch. Bree looks really cute.
Don't waste your time with looking back. They're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Go make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Go make some love that lasts.
Well, we were gonna go to this point way over here, but it's starting to get late. So instead we're gonna head back so we don't have to hike in the dark, but still got some pretty sick views. Still got some good hiking in. Wow, I'm gonna let Bree drive for the first time ever.
Whatever, I've driven to pick you up. I've driven to pick him up. I gotta take you to LSAT tomorrow, so good practice.
This is gonna be scary.
I'm nervous.
So I have the LSAT this weekend. It's tomorrow. That's all I've been doing all week, is just studying for that. But today we're just gonna, I need to relax a little bit, you know, not be too stressed out. So we're gonna go take some pics and hopefully not die on the way there because Bree's driving.
I'm a good driver.
Oh.
Insert your ticket. Please drive safely.
I did it.
Look at this bird poop right here. If you guys don't know what the LSAT is, it is the law school admissions test. And it blows.
Oh. I just brushed my teeth.
Or wait. Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god. Is this even the one?
No, but go left.
Left?
Yeah. Left. You can't go that way.
Does that mean I can go?
No,
or that's
left on arrow only.
I don't like being on this street.
Oh boy.
I hate this shit. Cause you're like, it's this one. No, it's this.
We're in the parking garage. We at least made it this far. There's a few scary moments, but
They weren't even scary. They're just questionable.
we made it up to the top of the parking garage, which is gonna be our photo shoot area. Bree needs some new content for the gram, but first we gotta eat some chips.
Can they see it?
Yes, they can. All right, let's take some pics.
You just gotta hold on tight. You gotta get up, gotta get up. Gonna make it through this time. Everybody falls down, all the way down. You just gotta hold on tight. You gotta get up, gotta get up. Gonna make it through this time. Gonna make it through this time. Gonna make it through this time.
I just finished the LSAT this morning. It was brutal. It's gonna be a long 3 weeks waiting to get my score back, but anyways. It's super cloudy and rainy out today, unfortunately, so I don't think we're gonna be able to go do much. We're just gonna stay inside, I think, and chill out and relax and maybe watch some Christmas movies. This vlog was short, I'm sorry. But, you know, even though this vlog was short, we will make it up to you guys next week with an even better, cooler vlog. So, we'll see you next week.
I'm not in your stupid vlog.
She's in the vlog. She didn't want to be in this, but I'm putting her in it anyways. Okay, goodbye.
You're the
The Grinch! Well, that worked out nicely.